What is up, my friends? This is Dad's Commentary. I am in my gaming studio. We are going to be doing an unboxing today. I'm super excited about this. It is going to be a game changer in the quality of my stream. So I did add an M.2 solid state drive right to my motherboard, but I went one up on that as well. I'm adding an AMD Radeon 5700 XT. We are going to unbox this, check it out. And if you guys want to see the quality of how this works, join me on my live stream so you guys can see. And let me move over here. Here it is right here, guys. This is the full box, the way it came. I bought it. I will include the link where I bought it here. And that's what it looks like. AMD Radeon 5700 XT. Pretty big box, actually. So I am going to be replacing the NVIDIA 1050 Ti with the AMD Radeon 5700. So let me move my phone. Hopefully we can see, as I don't have a stand, I am recording with the iPhone XS Max 11. So if you guys do like the quality, that is what that is. That is the newest iPhone on the market with the best camera and the best, it's the biggest screen. So let me look here and let's get this open and see what we have. All right, so there's a piece of tape holding it, and this will be able to play any game. It also is virtual reality. You can do that on it. So we will see how it is. Minimum system requirements, PCI Express, got that. Minimum 650 watts or greater power supply, have that. 8 gigabytes of system memory. I have 16 of DDR4 RAM. Windows 64-bit operating system, I have that. Let's see, Windows 10, have that. I also have an i7 7700 processor and a gaming motherboard. So we click that open and we will see what's in here. And this is super exciting to open this. This is brand spanking new. It even has its plastic on it. So it comes with its plastic. This is like a help any type of static. It has 2 fans to help keep it cool. I have used an AMD processor in the past. My opinion on them were they ran hot, so I was a little hesitant to get an AMD, but this one does have the fans on it to help keep it cool. And let's look at it here. It's an 11-inch hard drive. And let's see what else is in the box here, just to be safe. So there is a CD, which I'm not going to use. I've already went to AMD and downloaded their latest drivers, but it's called Power Color Quick Install Guide. So it comes with an install guide, a CD, which does anybody even use? What if you don't have a CD drive? I do have a CD drive, but what if you don't? I really struggle with throwing my boxes out as well, but let's kind of look at this here and just see how they packaged it. So right here, this product requires external power. Please use power cable to connect with your power supply. It is just going to hook in my PCI slot. It does look like it's liquid cooled right here, so I can see that. I know I'm static charged right now. I'm not grounded. Let me just touch something here. All right, we'll pull this baby out. I'll keep my fingers off the motherboard. Oh man, that is nice looking. The cool thing about this one is I can run 4 monitors now. I run 3. I actually run 4 right now, but one of them is for my video game, my console. But I can run 1, 2, 3 right here, and then an HDMI, so that'll be nice. I am going to need a second plug. I don't believe I have that. I do have HDMI. I got this plug, but I'll have to purchase another one. It isn't a huge deal. Your power supply hooks here, which I do have a big enough power supply for it. And you just put it in your board and let it go. So this is the processor right here. This is what it looks like. So if you purchased it and you're looking in your box and you're missing something, you really shouldn't be because it's just a processor. But you do need to make sure that you plug your power supply in. The motherboard is not going to be enough to power this, so you do need to do that. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and a sub. I'd appreciate it. Also, if you want to see the quality of this, make sure you jump in a live stream so you can see the quality of it. I hope you guys have an awesome day. This is Dad's Commentary out.